Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for parts of Harris County, also northwestern Liberty County, southeastern Montgomery County, and southeastern San Jacinto County till 10:30 this morning. Multiple inches of rain have already fallen, more on the way. Some of the locations experiencing this flash flooding right now includes Conroe, Cleveland, Kingwood, Spring, the Woodlands, Oak Ridge North, Shenandoah, Splendora, Patton Village, Roman Forest, Cut and Shoot, Plum Grove, North Cleveland, Dayton Lakes, Lake Houston as well. Again, a flash flood warning in effect until 10:30 this morning. This is for parts of Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and San Jacinto counties. Keep it here for the latest on the situation. This concludes the alert system.